Start by taking 3 deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth, letting go of any tension or distractions. Tell yourself, I want peace right now. I leave any thoughts about my life behind me. They cannot enter the forest. I can pick them up again when I leave the forest, if I want to. But right now, I want peace, a quiet mind. Any thoughts that come, I will blow into the air so they can leave the forest. Say silently or out loud, I walk in the quiet light of God's love, knowing I am one with all creation. Each step is guided, and I am at peace. Begin walking slowly and deliberately, focusing on the sensation of your feet touching the earth. Notice how the ground supports you with every step. Say to yourself, I am fully supported just as I am. I walk with purpose and grace. With each step, imagine tension leaving your body, replaced by light. Look around at the trees, plants, and sky. Notice the details, the textures, colors, and shapes. Say silently, I see only the reflection of God's love in all things. The forest reminds me of my unity with creation. As you breathe, imagine inhaling the life and peace of the forest and exhaling any thoughts of separation or worry. Pause for a moment to touch a tree or leaf gently. Feel its aliveness and silently affirm, you and I are the same, expressions of love in different forms. As you walk, think of something you're holding on to, fear, judgment, or stress. Visualize the forest absorbing this as you release it. Say, I choose to forgive and release all that is not love. I give this to the light and walk free. Bring to mind something you are deeply grateful for, and let that feeling fill your heart. Whisper, thank you, Spirit, for guiding me in love and truth. Slow your pace and tune into the sounds of the forest, the rustling leaves, birds, or wind. Let these sounds remind you to quiet your mind. Ask, what would you have me know? How would you have me walk this path? Stay open, listening for gentle thoughts, feelings, or inspirations. Trust that divine guidance comes in stillness. As you near the end of your walk, say this prayer. I am not alone. I walk with God. I leave this forest with peace in my heart, extending it to all. Pause one last time to look around. See the forest as a reflection of the eternal, alive, peaceful, and whole. Carry this awareness with you as you return to your day. The peace of God goes with me wherever I go. I walk in light, and I give this light to the world.